everybody. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video. If you don't know yet, they have a life-size challenge, life-size doll challenge, where you go in and you're supposed to create a dress for your doll, and then you create a replica of that dress on yourself. And it's a competition for all like designers, seamstresses, people who do this as a hobby, by Britta Brat. She's also on YouTube known as Dr. Fashion. And I just wanted to show that I have my doll. As you can see, this is from the Hair Amazing Princess collection. You can get them from Walmart. I believe I bought this one for like, it was either $4.99 or $7.99. But I got it because it was pretty and one of the mini dolls for my daughters. So we're gonna hop right into this. I'm gonna show you some of the things I've got going on right now, because I have to create the pattern for the doll, well, her dress, and I have to create a pattern for my dress, and then I gotta cut, assemble, take more photos, and show y'all the whole process. So see you in there, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe when I post this to my YouTube page. All right, Lady V out. Watch the process and enjoy. So as you can see, we have our fabric, which we got from Walmart. I have technically 4 yards of this, because I bought 2 of the cotton duck, 100% cotton duck, 72 by 45 inches. And I have 2 yards of the Waverly, because that's going to be the internal dress, because it's going to be like 2 pieces. Then we have our actual pattern that I have to cut out. And so this is the dress, top, bodice, back piece. The piece that I'm going to fold together to give it a nice little design at the top, the back. This right here, that shoulder piece that y'all saw in the drawing. As you can see, our doll. And let's go to the drawing so y'all don't forget. This is the drawing. So my goal is to put this. If I can't get this stay, then I won't use it. So it's kind of optional, but this is my goal, to have the shoulder piece here. Underneath is the pink dress. But the floral duck canvas fabric will be on the outside. And this, I'm trying to figure out if I want it to be detachable or a part of the dress, but we'll find out. We'll figure that out by the end. There's going to be a side zipper here, and that's pretty much going to be the whole look. So a very versatile piece. So let's get into this. We already have our 3-tier skirt, so that's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and our waistband. And you know, for the doll to put her dress on, it'll be Velcro in the back, but for me, I'll have a zipper, because I don't have any doll size zippers. So, all right, let's keep going. hectic today. I was having car trouble. My children's bus came really late. and that put me behind schedule. But so far, the doll, her dress is good. Now I'm working on mine. I think I'll probably have this submitted by like 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning, because like it's already 10 something now, and I've been at this all day with all these hiccups back and forth. So we're almost there. The final reveal is on its way. I done did all my mock-ups, I done did all my patterning, I done cut out all the fabric. Now I'm literally just sewing. A lot of serging, a lot of hand stitching. There are definitely things about this project that I would change, and do better on the next version of it. But man, I didn't know there was so much hand sewing when it comes to doing doll clothes. But it's still fun. I enjoy it. All right, back to work. I know y'all can't wait to see the final reveal.